Sir Ken's Mathematics TV. Please subscribe. Today, I am going to talk about fraction. A fraction is a number that describes a relationship between a part and a whole. Example 1. Simplify 5 whole number 2/3. Divide sign. Open bracket. 23 whole number 2/5 of 3 whole number 1/4 minus 22. Close bracket. Solution. We are going to make use of BODMAS in this question. B is bracket, O is off, D division, M multiplication, A addition, X subtraction. The first alphabet in BODMAS is B, and B is bracket. So because of that, we are going to solve those numbers in bracket first. Write down 5 whole number 2/3. Write down divide sign. Now 5 times 23 will give us 115, plus these 2 here will give us 117 over these 5 here. Of in mathematics is times. Write it down here. 4 times 3 will give us 12, plus this one here will give us 13 over 4. Bring down minus 22. Close bracket. Write down 5 whole number 2/3. Write down divide sign. 117 times 13 will give us 1521 over 5 times 4 will give us 20. Write it here. Bring down minus 22. Turn this whole number here to fraction to help us find the LCM by adding over 1. Close the bracket. Write down 5 whole number 2/3. Write down divide sign. Now LCM of 20 and 1 is 20. Remember, this one here is just for the purpose of finding the LCM. Now let's proceed. 20 into 20 will give us 1. 1 times 1521 will give us 1521. Write it down here. Write down minus sign here. 1 into 20 will give us 20. 20 times 22 will give us 440. Close bracket. Write down 5 whole number 2/3. Write down divide sign. 1521 minus 440 will give us 1081. Write it down here. Write down divide sign. Write down 20. Now 3 times 5 will give us 15, plus 2 will give us 17 over this 3. Write down divide sign. Write down 1081 over 20. Write down 17 over 3. This divide sign will change to multiplication sign. And for this divide sign to change to multiplication sign, the numerator will become the denominator, while the denominator becomes the numerator. Now 17 times 20 will give us 340. Put your divide sign. 3 times 1081 will give us 3243. Therefore, our answer is 340 over 3243. Please share this video